nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the doorman just whole team here might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If it down in my management, I'm just warming up a way till I old producers saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things with your pockets dull. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up. Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. I keep giving game away.
Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today what we're doing a maintenance on all these systems. We got about 25 units to do. So in this location itself, we do different types of maintenances throughout the year. That's what I was told. So today we're basically just changing filters. We're going to come back and change the belts another day because the supply house didn't have none. So basically what I like to do, how you guys saw in the beginning, once you have power, shut it off, check power again, and lockout, tag out, of course. Right now it's not tag out because I'm currently checking it. Right now my return air temperature is 73, my discharge air temperature is 87, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it run because right now both stages are running. But yeah guys, I mean, we're basically just making sure everything looks good, clean all the dust out. That's something I really like to do. I like to grab my little brush, clean everything, and then use the blower to blow everything out. So, and of course guys, like I said, I do everything, the cleaning, everything when I have the unit properly off. So also guys, in this specific maintenances, we don't go into full detail because if we would go into full detail, we would be here at least 2 days, so it's not practical. Like I said, we change the filter, we change the belt, make sure everything looks clean, make sure we don't see no contactors that are that have some wear and tear on them. Make sure we don't see no blown out capacitors, you know, wiring, the little things like that. And we don't go into full detail, like I said, but just give it a whole glimpse. So right now I got both stages running, 94, 97. Go ahead, menu, reset the unit, on, off, verify that kicked on back on, okay. So this is the first company that I ever had to use a little cart on the roof. I usually would never use one, and it's a lifesaver. So now let's go ahead and go to the other ones. So for anybody that's never worked on the newer Linux with the Prodigy board with the black one, the way you jump this units out is you go to menu, you go down, service, select, test, select, cool, heat, blower. You can test everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat 1, heat 2. I usually put it to heat 2. But yeah guys, this is what I was talking about. This is why I like using my Milwaukee blower to take all this dust out. Because remember, a lot of times with managers, store managers come up here and they open up a door panel, the first thing they notice is the visual things. Okay, so by me blowing everything out of here, making it look good, it automatically looks good on us, you know what I mean? Also, since this unit it's gonna be under my name because I'm the one performing the maintenance, I want to make sure everything looks 100%. But yeah, I mean, that's the reason why I like using the Milwaukee blower right there. Also guys, just in case you guys are wondering, we're running about 600 feet of water hose, so it's a kind of a pain in the butt, but I mean, they got to get washed. Also guys, I've been getting a lot of questions about the lockout, tag out, and the company that I'm currently working for. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let you guys know right now, that way you guys stop posting about it in the comment section, you know what I mean? So the reason why we have to lock tag out is because I work for a corporate company, you know what I mean? Safety is number one. That's safety priority. That's priority number one, safety. Okay, so anytime I'm working on the unit, say I'm changing a wire or cutting a wire, I have to lock out and tag out. Even though it's a feet away from me, I still have to lock and tag out. Okay, and to be honest with you guys, that's something that I've never done in my life till I came to this company. I mean, if you're really thinking about it, I mean, if you really think about it, it's for our safety, you know what I mean? So I don't mind it at all. It is taking some time for me to get used to it, but that's priority number one. So like right now it's on because I'm testing it. But if I'm changing belts, if I'm changing filters, this has to be off and tag out. That's why I carry this right here. I know I've been getting a lot of questions in the comments saying how come I'm tagging out if I'm only a feet away from it and things like that. So just for you guys to know. So I'm gonna go ahead and start washing these coils, and that should be it. Well, it is a 3-day weekend because we have Martin Luther King day off, so it is a 3-day weekend, but I decided to volunteer to work on Saturday, so that's why I'm out here working. Go ahead and start washing these out and go from there. All right guys, here is lockout, tag out. I already verified the power was off. So let's go ahead and start washing this coil. From the outside it doesn't look that bad, but it actually is. We're looking good. Usually what I would do with this Linux, I would take this front cover off, this side cover off, this side cover off, and then just be able to deep clean it from the inside out. But like I said, guys, this system's fairly new. We are looking good. Let's go ahead and continue to wash and hopefully be done soon because I'm trying to go home. Before we wrap it up, I want to thank you guys for all the support I've been getting on my second channel. Growing pretty rapidly, so shout out to you guys. So guys, I want to thank you guys for being patient with me because I haven't been uploading lately. And to be honest with you guys, I just been learning a bunch of new things that is kind of hard to record and learn at the same time. So just be patient. Once I get everything down, I'll go ahead and start filming more. But in the meantime, I appreciate you guys' support. Thank you all to the new subscribers. So like I said, guys, thank you for all the support. Till next video, peace.